A technical dead ringer of the best-selling DOA series, the Birds of a Feather offers all the performance of one of the most sought-after snowboards in the world, replicated into flex patterns and geometric sizing to meet women's riding requests. Simply put, the do anything, go anywhere Birds of a Feather is ready to change your riding forever. With the medium flex that's easy to turn and an elongated effective edge ready to carve up the slopes, this hybrid camber, all-terrain destroyer has inspired countless knockoffs chasing its success. Such emulation comes with the territory, given that the Birds of a Feather has won every major design award in the industry. With an all-new dual blaster V2 core and 8 standard width sizes to choose from, the Birds of a Feather now breaks down industry barriers with a women's dedicated wide offering and is ready to take your snowboarding to new heights.